Karma Guy here, bringing you luxury, performance, and peace of mind with this 2009 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E320 BLUETEC sedan. This beauty boasts extremely low miles for its age, a dealer service history, and a recent service valued at over $350. This dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle includes a 3-month, 3,000-mile Quality Plus warranty, with an option to add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price during your purchase. Want ultimate confidence? Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. Our recent service includes an air filter replacement, cabin air filter, a fresh oil and filter change, and a thorough pre-delivery inspection, ensuring this Benz is road-ready and reliable. Transparency is key. That's why we encourage a pre-purchase inspection to give you complete peace of mind. And remember, any price reductions will void the CPO warranty and 5-year service plan, so don't miss this incredible value. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Choose quality, choose Karma.